Can you hear me? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
awesome.
I can see the text there.
All right, and can you guys see the screen? All right, cool. All right, good morning. My name's Maria, and this is Santiago Perez.
Hello.
We are with Eskin Company, and we are here to tell you about Factory View Online. Thank you all for your time and interest in listening to us this morning. Oops. All right. This is a brief timeline of how we've gotten to where we are today. Santiago has been in multiple roles and learned all aspects of manufacturing companies. He can troubleshoot any machine, whether it be electrical, hydraulic, pneumatic, and he knows more than 10 programming languages. And I have a strong business background. So we opened Eskin Company in 2013 to combine forces, and we've been learning, building, and testing Factory View Online since. In manufacturing company survey, they shared 3 of their biggest pains: skilled labor, sales, and efficiency, and what they want to improve on. Finding skilled talent is hard. Keeping up with technology as younger generations expect flexibility, and technology in the workplace is an ever-evolving thing, especially in times like these. Onboarding and offboarding is time consuming, and transferring knowledge from someone that may be retiring to someone that's coming on board new is just a time consuming thing. Sales and expenses. The more you produce, the more you're going to sell. So you want your equipment running all the time. You need to know where your money's going. In part of our business, we buy and sell new and used industrial parts. So we know how much a company will pay you to overnight a part and get them up and running right away. Efficiency. So these kind of go hand in hand with sales, but if you're not organized and efficient in manufacturing, things can go bad quickly. One of our customers was down for almost 2 days because they didn't have a $4 bolt and had to order it. They were paying all of their employees to stand around while they paid overnight shipping, and they weren't producing anything, so they weren't making any money. Next slide. This all could have been prevented if they were using our solution, Factory View Online. Employees are what run a company, so there is a great need to make them happy. Onboarding with Factory View Online is easy. Even one of our clients with no technology background has figured it out. It also addresses the new normal of flexibility in the workplace, like working from home and still being in the know. The software gives updates, logs, reports, and in real time, so the company and the users keep up with purchasing requests, inventory stocking, equipment maintenance, and alerts the proper management if something goes wrong. One story of this helping is there was a company that had one guy on 3rd shift, and one of the planing tanks went below the water level it was supposed to. We got the notification because it was still like beta form, and we contacted the maintenance guy. He fixed it right away before it went into the solvent and damaged any of their customers' parts. So Factory View Online saved money, time, and the solution all works together and gives you only what you need to see. Oh, so we're gonna dive into our software. All right, so here's the dashboard where.
Can you guys see the screen?
You guys can see the, okay. All right, here's the dashboard where it has all the quick links to any of the features. The next 2 are supplier and users. As I said before, it's pretty straightforward to add and remove. The next one is inventory management module. This has effortless inventory generation with work orders and purchase request. On the right here, you can know every inventory transaction in real time to know where the money's going, and you can see where it's consumed in the location, area, or asset. The next module is the request module with multi-level approvers, floor workers, maintenance or management, purchasing, shipping, inspection. Personnel can streamline their communication with notes, attachments, all in one place. And they know where the request is at. The next one is the asset management or live equipment monitoring module, where you can monitor your assets, record production, get status notifications in real time. Any maintenance level worker can actually integrate our hardware into their assets. So that's a benefit. The next one is our work order module, where it also has the reoccurring work orders. It notifies the technicians, keeps them on task, and then it gives them their own work order tab so that they know what they have in their list. The next one is reports, and we've set it up so that it has graphs for easy and data lists for easy analyzing. And then lastly is more charts. This is for analyzing and troubleshooting the assets. So you can compare and troubleshoot different equipment's health. All right, and so this is the hardware that we have. There's two box options. One is the wireless option, and the other is the wired directly to the sensors. This shows the flow of how the box sends the information in, to the software, and then you can see the charts again there. The software analyzes it. Oh, sorry, I always forget there's two screens here. All right. So we have 3 pilot paying customers currently, 2 then wanting to implement. Well, so far, we've had really good reviews. Factory Review Online stands out from our competitors because we are a simple one-stop shop, and we have the automation and education behind us to implement and tailor to customers' needs. This chart shows the added features that we have compared to our competitors. Manufacturing is a huge sector in our economy. As you can see, we are in the heart of it all. We are ranked 3rd after the 2 largest states in the US, and the manufacturing concentration surrounds us. Ohio has more than 14,000 companies, and in a recent study, it shows we are way behind on these companies to get to Industry 4.0, which is so important as the workforce evolves. This can help with manufacturers' employee appeal. It helps in lean manufacturing decisions, and it just makes them a more data-driven company to compete with their competitors. We are targeting this region as it makes up 21% of the companies in the state. We are targeting small to medium manufacturing first because almost 50% of Ohio's manufacturing firms employ fewer than 10 people, which, as you saw previously, is a good sized market. Unlike other solutions, our solution is affordable for this sector. In this chart, it shows 250 companies with an average of 20 users. This is 2% of Ohio's companies. It shows from there our profit margin could grow from 63% upwards. This also doesn't show it was hard to correlate, so it doesn't show our device sales. That will be like a one-time sale, adding to our profits, and then additional custom installation projects that where certain companies want additional services for installation and that type of customization. And then what we're looking for is additional funding and ways to connect and grow with others. We know we need to invest more in marketing and sharing the solution to help others. We've received a few quotes for like SEO, printing tools, marketing tutorials, just to make things easier to implement and other things. And we think we need about 20,000 to start to ramp that up. And then for our app, just to make it a little bit more user friendly, we've already invested quite a lot on our app, but to kind of clean it up and finish it off, another 10,000 I think would definitely get us there. And then most importantly, employees. We need good connections and good employees to help us with our vision to get this into manufacturing companies. So any networking contacts, advice, and any other help is welcome. So thank you for your time, and we'll look for questions now.